1x 3x Magnify. 2-in-1 design double-sided mirror with magnification. 1x regular side gives you an overall view, and 3x magnification to make sure every detail of your face is perfect. Adds elegance to your vanity. 2-sided swivel. 5.5 inches diameter tabletop mirror, 10-inch height, with 360-degree rotation can be adjusted to any suitable position for easy viewing. Anti-slip base. Anti-slip design of the base prevents this stand-up mirror from breaking. You can fully rotate the mirror, but it still stays in place and not easy to tip over. With screw and movable washer. Chrome finish. The durable brushed chrome finish is a nice and elegant finishing touch, protects against moisture and condensation. Function. Perfect for makeup, skincare, wearing contact, shaving, plucking, flossing and so on. Base anti-slip design. Perfect for travel and home use. Top reviews from the United States. Nice mirror. This mirror looks great and works great. It with a nice padded non-slip surface on the bottom. The swiveling works well too, although sometimes you have to crank it a little to get it to move, but that's better than having it freely swivel with the slightest touch. It was also packaged super secure, no worries about a broken product on arrival.